This tape dispenser here costs $100. And I saw this in a science lab and just had to have it. And it's just used for labeling. So it's different color masking tapes. Made in USA. Suction cup to the table. Anyhow, it's just something I really like.
That was Casey Neistat's studio tour. I'm not an envious person, but when I seen that tape dispenser, I felt I need one of those. In the mind of the spirited man, I'll build one. Here I am marking the outline out. I made it like a big Scotch tape dispenser, using a piece of red oak, and the height of it was 4.5 inches, so I was kind of stuck at that height, and so I just went to scale and tried to make it about 7 inches long. This spirited man needs a reciprocating saw and a router table. Right there is my $12 box of brass screws that I had to have. These are some little rubber feet I've been pack riding around for probably 10 years. Love it when you actually get to use things you've been hoarding.